Hi, I'm going to take you through the process of factoring by grouping step by step. We have a trinomial here, 6x squared plus 13x minus 5. The first thing we're going to do is take the first and last terms and multiply them together. 6x squared times negative 5 is going to give us negative 30x squared. What we want to do with this is find two separate terms that when we multiply them together we get negative 30x squared, but when we add them together we get 13x. Both of them are going to need to have an x so that they're like terms. And you notice x times x will multiply to x squared. So now we need two numbers that multiply to negative 30 and add up to 13. Those two are going to be negative 2 times positive 15. These two terms we're going to use to replace the 13x in the original problem. So this means we need to bring the 6x squared down and bring this minus 5 down so that we've rewritten the trinomial as 6x squared minus 2x plus 15x minus 5. Now we can do the grouping. You notice that there's no common factors for all of the terms, but if we group the first two together, now there is something we can factor out. If we group the second two together, you notice again, there's something we can factor out of just those two. Looking at the first two, they both have a common factor of 2x. When we factor that out, we're left with 3x minus 1. Now for our second group, 15x minus 5, they have in common positive 5. When we factor that out, we are left with 3x minus 1. This is not an accident. We picked the terms in the middle specifically so we would have this same binomial in both. 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1. Since it's in both, we can factor it out. That leaves us with 3x minus 1 times the remaining 2x plus 5. And that's it. 6x squared plus 13x minus 5 factors to become 3x minus 1 times 2x plus 5.